Alright, these are the rears, single piston calipers. I'm actually pulling them apart for a buddy that wants to do some metal finishing and powder coat them. They're pretty simple, pretty basic. Alright, it's a floating caliper, so just pull these floaters out. There's a sleeve that goes all the way through the inside. Kind of pull it out. Put it off to the side. Already pulled this one out. All right. Now, there's the piston right there. There's like a little dust boot right here, and there's actually an O-ring inside there. Now, that's what it slides on. That's all there is to it. It's a really basic unit. Get yourself a little blowgun with a rubber doodad on it. Put it in the end port. And they pop right out. That's your piston. Right here's your little dust boot. I have this little hook tool. I don't know if you can see it. One thing you guys probably don't know about me is I used to be a hand model. I'm just kidding. I've got so many scars. Be very gentle not to rip them. But yeah, that's your dust boot. Now look inside there. There's your O-ring right there. Get your little hook tool. I think I broke that one. And that's it. That's your O-ring. Don't rip that either. Put it off to the side. Use Ziploc bags. Go ahead and tag it. This is rear. Then take out your bleeder. It's 11 millimeters. Metric, a lot of stuff is. Go ahead and bag everything up. Rear. All right, now this is ready for metal finishing and powder coat. Okay, now these are the fronts. This is a 2-piston caliper off a Dodge Ram. This is the inlet port right here. As you can see, it's 2 pistons. Go ahead and get yourself a Dodge Quattro or a 2x4. Put it in where the back side of the back pad would go. That way when you push them out, I should have done that earlier. I didn't do it last time. That way it doesn't mess up the piston when you blow through it. It's like a double barrel shotgun. Whoa. Pull back the fork. Never mind. There's one piston. Two-stroke Syndicate rolling by. Out there on his 2-stroke. I don't know if you can hear that. Alright. These are like silicone ones, the last ones were rubber. Might be a little harder to pop these bad boys out of here. Put think I need a screwdriver. I'm gonna get a little screwdriver. All right, got a little carburation adjustment style screwdriver. Hopefully I can pop this out with that. Hopefully I don't mess these up. They're not mine. They're for my friend Brandon. For his wife's Dodge truck. Hopefully I can get his old one so I can break those down and powder coat them, because I'm pretty sure they're the same as my truck. Or I should say my wife's truck. These are harder. I don't know. Take your time, don't be in a hurry, alright? Because whenever you're in a hurry, that's when you start screwing stuff up. Oh, here we go. Just gotta have the right leverage. Alright. There is one very nice intact dust boot for the piston. And just like the rears, you can see inside there. I don't know if you can see that. That is your O-ring. So take that shot. You know what does help is WD-40. I should have WD-40'd this. It'll help it slide out. Definitely go back together with it with WD-40, because that'll help lube everything up. And if you're doing a brake job and you're pushing these back in for new brake pads, lube it up with WD-40, because if you push this in, air bubbles or air pocket will fill up the voids inside this, and it's kind of hard to get out. You have to kind of burp it to get the air out of it. That's your dust boot. And that's it. I wonder if this is 11.2. Why is that so hard? Alright, that's 11.2. The engineers at Mopar made them the same size. Can't believe that. Alright, so that's your bleeder. Ready for prep, metal finish, and powder coat. And then I'll probably try to make another video on how to put them back together. Same thing, just in reverse. So, peace out.